Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see safe install method for all FitGirl games. Follow these steps one by one guys. Before open the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video to avoid setup corrupted error. After watching this video, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings and turn off the real-time protection and select yes. And now just to minimize this page and double click on the setup folder, double click on setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage and then select next and select next. And select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. And check all these and if you have optional voiceovers you just need to only check where preferred language guys and then select the install option. After the installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here's the game folder. Select it and select folder option. The game has been added to this list. After that, go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to this site and select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. You just need to select one of these options and right click on the game listed and right click and select run application. And the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. No further level guys, thank you.